Hydroponics Company is an exciting new listing on the ASX under the code THC. We plan to list on April the 20th. THC brings together three diversified and distinct business operations in the Australian and international cannabis market. These are 1. Hydroponics, with over 600 products, 9 international trademarks and 2 patents. 2. Indoor farming or greenhouse design and supply. And 3. Candio, which is a medicinal cannabis company, and Candio have just applied for their medicinal cannabis research licence. Together, these 3 companies and businesses cover major international and Australian markets and bring together and provide a single investment destination for shareholders to capture value in this exciting new market.
Okay, well, THC is divided into 3 separate divisions. The first of those, the hydroponics division, is already a profitable business. It's been trading profitably for 5 years. It has revenues expected at 5 million this year and an NPAT of 1 million this year, with expanding revenues in following years as we introduce more products. The second division, the greenhouse division, is a natural ally of the hydroponics division. They both exposed to the same market and will bring joint opportunities. The medicinal cannabis business is the third business. Now, it has a product rollout strategy. We are obtaining licenses, we are establishing manufacturing facility in Australia, and then moving product to market at the early part of 2018, with some possibility to bring the product forward into 2017. Well, internationally, we're looking at growth rates for the cannabis market of 30 to 40%. Now, that's a good, solid number for growth, but in the hydroponics and the greenhouse area, we're actually looking at brand new markets. So, as an example, the state of California in November 2016 legalized recreational cannabis use. That means that businesses that already have market presence in the cannabis market and are able to become suppliers for these new growers will have tremendous growth opportunities and possibly significantly larger than the average of 30 to 40%. In the medicinal cannabis market in Australia, we're looking at a patient base that does not currently have access to medicinal cannabis. And these can range from a number of ailments. It can be epilepsy, can be multiple sclerosis. There is interest in palliative care. And we have a real passion for bringing this new product to the Australian market and offering new product for patients that are genuinely suffering and are looking for new solutions to traditional pharmaceutical products. The Candio is our medicinal cannabis business, and that has a very clear and simple rollout strategy. We are applying for licenses under the federal program. We are enabling local growth and manufacturing. We are taking products through to the Therapeutic Goods Administration. And the fourth part of this is actually building international alliances. We are in the middle of negotiations with several overseas parties that will really leverage and add value to our business.
The leadership team is firstly focused on building the individual businesses. That's very important. And then, secondly, to build the synergies between the 2 businesses. The board brings to the company such diverse experience and expertise in manufacturing, agriculture, international finance, market capture and product liability, obviously, and finance as well. Hamish McDonald, THC's CEO, has a significant experience, many years experience in agriculture and biotechnology gained both here in Australia and in America and in Europe. Dr. Jim Barlow is based in the Americas, and he's an agronomist and has, again, international experience in design of greenhouses and indoor farming. Jason Calhoun, who heads up our hydroponics unit, has been running his own hydroponics company for the last 5 years, very well and very profitably. He also will remain based in Canada. And then Dr. Andrew Beehag will spearhead our medicinal cannabis unit. Andrew has significant experience in international collaboration for research markets.
THC is a really interesting investment proposition because it offers this unique access for investors into the cannabis market. So firstly, the business division in hydroponics is already cash flow positive. It is already generating profit. And that is a strong position for THC for its listing. The second is the expertise that comes from the Australian end. It's got more than 17 years experience in the growth of the cannabis sativa plant. And that's useful not just for the medicinal cannabis division, it goes right through all the divisions. And the third aspect is that carefully targeting multiple areas of growth in cannabis markets in Australia and internationally. For all of these reasons, we see THC as a very unique offering in the market.